Hello and welcome to Daily Slow English.
It's great to have you here. Today, we learn step by step with slow English and clear practice.
Today's topic is daily routine. We talk about the things we do every day.
If this lesson helps you, subscribe now for daily practice. New videos help you build confidence.
Here is our plan: short dialogue, focused practice, a shadowing section, and a quick review.
Ready? Let's begin.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then you get out of bed and go to the bathroom, right?
Yes, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, you make breakfast.
I make breakfast. I have coffee and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit.
Nice and simple.
Then I get dressed, put on my shoes, leave the house, and go to work.
Practice time. Repeat with slow, clear speech.
I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I go to work. I go to work.
What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I sit at my desk and use my computer.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, sometimes I have meetings with my colleagues.
When do you have lunch?
Around 1 o'clock, I have lunch. I eat a sandwich or a salad.
After lunch, you go back to work.
Yes, I work until the end of the day.
Practice time. Focus on clear verbs.
I work in an office. I work in an office. I have meetings with my colleagues. I have meetings with my colleagues. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
If you enjoy learning like this, subscribe for more slow English lessons.
Leave a comment with one sentence about your morning routine. It helps you practice and helps the channel grow.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax for a little while.
How do you relax?
I sit on the sofa and watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner in the evening.
What do you like to cook?
Pasta or rice with vegetables.
After dinner?
I wash the dishes and talk to my family.
Practice time. Short sentences, slow and clear.
I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa. I cook dinner in the evening. I cook dinner in the evening. I talk to my family. I talk to my family.
What do you do before going to bed?
I brush my teeth again. Then I go to bed around 11 o'clock.
Practice time. 2 simple lines.
I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Quick verb review. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, go home, relax, cook dinner, talk to family, go to bed.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do after work?
You can pause the video and speak your answers. Simple sentences are perfect.
Shadowing practice starts now. Repeat each line 2 or 3 times. Keep a slow pace. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face.
I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I make breakfast.
I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
I eat bread. I eat bread. I eat bread.
I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I eat fruit.
I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
I leave the house. I leave the house. I leave the house.
I go to work. I go to work. I go to work.
I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk.
I use my computer. I use my computer. I use my computer.
I answer emails. I answer emails. I answer emails.
I write documents. I write documents. I write documents.
I have meetings with my colleagues. I have meetings with my colleagues. I have meetings with my colleagues.
I have lunch at 1. I have lunch at 1. I have lunch at 1.
I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich.
I eat a salad. I eat a salad. I eat a salad.
I go back to work. I go back to work. I go back to work.
I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks.
I go home after work. I go home after work. I go home after work.
I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa.
I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I cook dinner.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I go to bed at 11. I go to bed at 11. I go to bed at 11.
Today, you learned useful words for your daily routine: morning, evening, night, breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, bread, fruit, pasta, rice, vegetables.
You practiced common actions. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, go home, relax, cook dinner, talk to family, go to bed.
You also used time phrases to place actions: at 7 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, in the morning, in the evening, after work, before bed.
Sentence frames you can reuse. I wake up at, I have blank for breakfast, I go to work at, in the evening I, before bed I.
Pronunciation and rhythm. You practiced clear syllables and slow pacing during shadowing. Repeat each line 2 or 3 times with a 2 to 3 second pause.
Quick self-check. Say 2 sentences about your morning and 2 about your evening. Keep them short and clear.
Homework. Write 1 short paragraph, 4 to 5 lines, describing your day from morning to night. Use at least 3 verbs from today and 2 time phrases.
Great job today. Subscribe for more slow English lessons and share your paragraph in the comments.
See you in the next lesson.